Dear friends, in this video, let us discuss about 19 stocks including Escorts, ICICI Lombard, TVS Motors, etc. Those have announced a bonus or stock split or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Excel Industries. Current market price is rupees 882 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing annual result. Escorts Kubota Limited. Current market price is rupees 3,100 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 9th May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing annual result. ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Current market price is 1,688 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. Anup Engineering. Current market price is rupees 3,333 per share. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Anup Engineering, you will get another 10 shares as bonus. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is 23rd April 2024. Good Luck India Limited. Current price is rupees 925 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Deepna Farmchem Limited. This penny stock with current price rupees 9.10 is announced a board meeting on 26th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is stock split and announcing bonus. Elecon Engineering Company Limited. Current market price is rupees 1,182 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share and announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 10 shares of Elecon Engineering, you will get a 2 rupees dividend for each and every share, and your 10 shares convert to 20 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. 360 ONE WAM Limited. Current market price is rupees 998. Company announced a board meeting on 23rd April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing annual result. Agrotech Foods Limited. Current market price is rupees 719 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose is same, declaring dividend and announcing annual result. Aditya Birla Sun Life Limited. Share is trading around rupees 502. This company also announced a board meeting on 26th April 2024. Purpose is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. VST Tillers Tractors Limited. Current market price is rupees 3,373 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 26th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Swaraj Engines Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,434 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 95 per each share. Both ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. MAS Financial Services. Current market price is rupees 288 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting of MAS Financial Services is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Aster DM Healthcare Limited. Current market price is 1,688 per share. The company announced a huge dividend of rupees 118 per each and every share you held on the record date, that is 23rd April 2024. DCB Bank. Current market price is rupees 121 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and dividend. Sanofi India Limited. Current market price is rupees 8,265 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 117 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 3rd May 2024. TVS Motors. Current market price is rupees 2,100. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 4:1. That means if you have 10 shares of TVS Motors, you are eligible to get 40 shares as bonus. So you will have 50 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized by the company. If the company finalizes the ex-bonus date and record date, definitely we will inform you through this channel as early as possible. Vertos Advertising Limited. Current price is rupees 810. Company announced a bonus and stock split. Record date is not at all finalized. Rupees 57,328 crore order book. This multi-bagger civil construction company receives new order worth rupees 232.03 from BHEL and JS Oil. The name of the company is Powermech Projects Limited. The company has secured orders worth rupees 232.03 crores. The biggest order of rupees 122.89 crore is from Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. The other two orders are from Jindal Steel Odisha Limited for 56.40 crores and 52.74 crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.